All right, man, I'm ready to go outside. Wait,
What is it? What are you looking at?
are you ready to go outside?
Yeah, man, let's go outside.
Where are your boots? Your coat? Gloves?
Dude, it's Michigan.
It's cold.
The temperature's in the double digits.
15 degrees is barely double digits.
Listen, double digits, no minus sign. It must be summer.
What about tonight?
Oh, with the wind chill, it's probably like -20 or something.
Oh, is that cold to you?
Yeah, man, that's totally cold. That's why I have my winter blanket.
Winter blanket? What is it made out of?
Well, it's basically two summer blankets on top of each other.
Of course it is. Forget it. Let's just go. Are you gonna put some shoes on?
No way, man. I'm going barefoot.
Come on, man. That's just stupid.
No, it's not. I'll prove it to you. See, it's beautiful outside. Okay, that's cold. That's stupid. That's so stupid.